friends.
See ya. We just left our friends Candace and Jason, and we missed them already.
And Bob and Sharon.
And Bob and Sharon and Jerry.
Jerry.
Yep. But we had a good run here. But we're here for a month, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yep. And
miss Tommy already.
Yeah, and Tommy too, and Ray and the kids.
Yep.
So
we'll be back.
A lot of reasons to be in this area for a while. Today we are headed to Leisure Coach Works to possibly get some work done. So we will see how that goes. Yesterday and the day before were super windy and dusty and warm. So it was hot in the rig, so we wanted to open windows, but you couldn't open windows because you get sandblasted. So I'm anxious to get to the RV park in Bakersfield so I can vacuum from ceiling to floor and every nook and cranny.
Need to sweep. Get that sweeper hooked up.
Vacuum. I do sweep with a broom.
Oh yeah, you ride it too.
I do. Turbocharged run. The air is just full of dirt. Well, we made it to Fontana, and the where Leisure Coach Works is, it's kind of across from a raceway.
What's the raceway called?
Isn't it just Fontana Raceway?
No.
I think. No. But I wanted to video going down the road where Leisure Coach Works is, because it's always a cluster when you get down there. So it'll be interesting to see where they'll put us if they're super busy and all their sites are full.
In 800 feet, your destination will be on the left.
Hey, doesn't look bad, does it?
Right there. Here we are. Hey, Kaylee. Hi, baby girl. So we're in a waiting room at Leisure Coach Works. Kaylee's in her room. Bear's just laying there. Bear had her green beans. We had our chicken. Kaylee ate. She's used her litter box. Everybody's had water.
We had lunch.
So I said we had chicken.
Oh, I didn't hear that.
See, he doesn't listen to me, does he? Oh, yeah. I was watching. So we are parked right outside that window for right now. I don't think you can see.
I don't know if you can see or not.
I have to turn this thing right there over Tom's head. That's us. They probably won't start on us until tomorrow. So that's okay. It's afternoon. It's a little bit before 1 now. We got here pretty early.
We're fine.
Left this morning at 8:30 from Fantasy Springs, went to the dump station, and then headed over here. It was like an hour and a half, 2 hour drive. Hour and a half normal people drive.
Yeah, we got, what does that mean?
No, I mean...
Normal people drive.
I meant in a car, not pulling an RV.
Yeah, I'm sure that's what you meant.
That's what I meant. Bear is totally comfortable. A few months ago, she would have been nervous. Like, what are we doing here?
Yeah.
Now she's fine.
She's a happy dog now.
And Kaylee's happy in her little room. So, I mean, outside with the repair guys, and I showed him where it was. See, the problem is when we put a hose onto this, it sprays out into the basement. Okay, they still have it open. So the water was coming down from here and spraying all over this. They put plastic all over the stuff in the basement here so that water wouldn't get all over everything. The problem is inside, behind the drawers in the bathroom, under the bathroom sink. So let's go see. I don't know if anybody's in here working on it. Oh, yep, somebody's in here working on it.
Come in.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm doing video. Is that okay?
Why?
Why? For our YouTube channel. This is paleta. Did I say it right?
Yes.
That's the problem.
That is the problem.
And you called that a ball?
This is a new one.
That's what the new one looks like. And you can see this one's been leaking. You can see right here. So hopefully we don't have any water damage on the floor under there, huh? Shouldn't be because of the linoleum, you said?
Yes.
And the instant it started leaking on us, we never used it again. So hopefully there's no more. So it's back there behind the drawers in the bathroom. I don't want to interrupt you, Paleta. I just wanted to show a little bit of video. So cool. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Because that one is up and down, close. The things inside, I don't know what is that.
So there's like a ball inside of here that keeps the water from coming back out the other way, so it doesn't come out from the black tank. So
that's a big noise.
Yep.
That's
and this is the old one.
See?
So it's like it's stuck.
Stuck. Right.
Yep. Old and gunked up probably, huh?
Yeah, well, where's the problem with this? The bulb. Because the water hoses go direct to the tank. It's not go anywhere. Just here to here. That's it. It's go in, it's go out. That's it. That's easy.
Cool. Thank you, Paleta. Am I saying that right? That's ice cream in Spanish, right?
Yeah. Well, if you say paletas, it sounds good.
It says okay?
Yeah, because you say like paletas.
Okay, you say it.
Paletas.
Paletas.
Yeah.
Okay.
But whenever you say paletas, it sounds good.
Okay. Well, make sure we call our wonderful repair guy by the right name.
That's good.
Rain will begin around 7:50. Oh.
Yeah, go ahead. Keep reading it.
Rain will begin about 7:52 a.m.
Really?
I think we're past that.
Really?
I hear it sprinkling.
Good grief.
They can't see us. Oh, nice! Nice!
There we go. We are at Leisure Coach Works, and it is pouring all night long. I mean, thunderous rain, and then speaking of thunder, the loudest thunder, I think, one of the loudest I've ever heard. I mean, it shook the trailer.
Crazy, a lot of lightning in LA last night along the coast and just in LA County and Riverside County. Just weird weather.
Yeah, it's insane. And both of our routes to Bakersfield is not good today.
No, it's windy. They've got flash flood warnings out and actually winter weather advisories for snow above 5,000 feet. So we're not going. We're just going to sit here at Leisure Coach Works on the parking lot and enjoy our day in Talo. They basically have fixed everything except the little door handle thingy, jobber.
Yeah, and given us a couple of lights that we're going to change out ourselves.
Yeah, but they're just giving us those, so we're going to take care of that later on.
But John, the owner, is amazing. He's wonderful. Told us not to worry, to not travel in the weather, just to sit tight and stay put. And
guess what? We're hooked up to 50 amp power.
Yep.
If we need more fresh water, which we don't right now because we've got a little bit in our tanks, they've got fresh water hoses here. And if we needed to take a dump, what do they call that thing that grinds up
Yeah,
your...
macerator.
Yeah, they've got one of those macerator things.
Yeah.
They'll hook it up and they'll clean your tanks out for you here
Yeah.
while you're waiting for service.
But we dumped before we came, so
we're good to go, you know.
But,
good to go.
We're good to go. Oh, boy.
Early morning crappy humor.
So because we have been, because usually they move your trailer into the bays to work on it, but since ours was pretty simple, they just did it right where we were parked. But we had brought all of our slides in, and it's like every day you bring your slides in so they can move your coach around or your trailer, whichever. So we are not set up at all. That's why we're just sitting in bed. It's the most comfortable place.
Yeah.
And we're watching some YouTube.
We're watching
Dan and Jen. They're in Tombstone. So if you haven't seen their videos, you don't know who Dan and Jen are, which I pretty much think most of y'all do.
Yeah, check them out. Dan and Jen, Nevada.
They're awesome. Yep. And check out this video. It's really cool. They're in Tombstone.
It is a great video. This is like one of their best edited videos ever.
Yes.
Check it out. It's really cool.
Have some more coffee.
I love you, Dan.
Here we are at Leisure Coach Works. We are getting ready to leave pretty soon. We wanted to kind of show you around. So this is one of the yards, and then they have that building and the yard next to it. But this is where we've been for the past few days, getting some work done. Good morning, Shanna.
Good morning.
This is a parts room. They have their floor samples, carpet samples, light samples. And then this is the other waiting room. Vending, water, TV, magazines, big comfy couches. Break room. Jeff, hi, good morning. He was our advisor helper guy. Well, we haven't left yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and say it. We didn't have too bad of a time here this time.
No! Nice and easy and relatively inexpensive.
Yeah.
Nice
hopefully,
visit at
fingers
Leisure
crossed.
Coach Works.
I mean, we haven't left yet, so I'm afraid I'm jinxing it, but
Everything's going to be fine.
everything's gonna be all right. Yeah. We heard that song for the first time last year when we were here. Yep.
Year and a half ago.
Well, yeah, almost a year and a half.
Yeah, it was 17.
It was.
No, it was 18. I can't remember back that far.
It wasn't 18. It was 17.
That's what I said. It was 17.
Yeah, originally you
See?
said that, and then you changed your mind.
I'm always whatever I am.
So we told them we were going to leave around 10 o'clock, and it's only 8:30. So we're just getting everything as ready as possible to be ready to go.
Don't want to drive through LA traffic at drive time, even though it's drive time 24/7 here.
Still, yeah, still always going to be traffic.
We're going to wait
but-
till 10 o'clock to leave.
Yeah. So they're going to have to do some jockeying around of all the vehicles so we can get out. There's a big old Class A right here. Lunchtime! Time for us to eat some lunch. We made it to the top of the Grapevine, which is Interstate 5 north of Los Angeles and south of Bakersfield. It's a gnarly hill. We got up it okay. Now we just have to go down. And that's not fun.
Not too bad. 6 miles, 6% grade.
Yeah.
All downhill.
All downhill. So Kaylee ate, and Bear had her green beans for lunch. Oh, Miss Bear, did you have your green beans? Kaylee, did you eat? So now we're having our traditional road food. Chicken and crackers. Something that's quick and easy, doesn't have to be heated up, better than sandwiches. Especially for him, who shouldn't have all the carbs.
So I'm having crackers.
Well, just a few. It's better than bread.
That's true.
So, it's a nice rest area at the top of the hill here in Lebec. A little bit of snow on the mountains over there.
Very little.
Very little. Look how fast those clouds are moving. We just wanted to thank John and his crew at Leisure Coachworks for an awesome fix-it job again. And as much as we love you guys, we really hope not to see you for a very long time. See ya!
Yeah.